Many people have still to come to terms with the emergence of a challenger and game changer in the industry called Onpassive, and are eager to get the question, whom is Onpassive really for, answered. To be candid with you, the straight truth is that you will never know enough to get this question thoroughly answered, if you are waiting on others to tell you things. I can preach to you all I know about Onpassive, whom it is for, etc. Still, if you do not actively experience the Onpassive excitement yourself, you will be walking around with only half of the information. You would not be helped that much with half the information. Without diving into much specifics, I am in no position to know all about Onpassive. However, I would say, Onpassive is for everybody. Anyone looking forward to earning online or start a side earning stream can plug into Onpassive and leverage the tools and services Onpassive has made available to achieve that goal. Onpassive is for you. If you want to earn online without having to create and fulfill your products or services, then Onpassive is for you. If you want to earn online without having to write your own sales copy, create your funnels, deal with customer support, or do any techie stuff. If you want to have a system that can help you pocket extra earnings. If you want someone to set everything up for you so that you don't have to figure it out yourself, and you want to accomplish faster and get into the earning stream. If you've been trying and failing at earning online and you just want someone to give you a ready-made solution. If you're ready to step outside of your comfort zone and create the best business with the best digital marketing platform ever, that will pay you for years to come. If you are tired of your 9-to-5 job and just want to become your own boss. If you just want to have more time and more fun for yourself. Onpassive is perfect for students, the unemployed, the underpaid, retirees unsatisfied with their pension, stay-home moms or dads, people sick of their jobs, those in need of more time to enjoy life, people who want to change their careers or daily routines, people who want to help others succeed in life, etc. Don't let the Onpassive opportunity slip away from you. You probably won't find something this simple and lucrative again on the internet anytime soon. It does not cost you anything to check out Onpassive. You can become a founder in Onpassive today. Then, you have a chance to share the Onpassive opportunity with many others. By doing so, you will be helping yourself earn more, and many others achieve their financial dreams. Remember my friends, everything is totally done for you, and this is not heard of before. Secure a real future and be part of this company we are launching very soon, and I mean soon. The founder position is ending and will never come back again. Research and get back to the person who connected you here. Wish you much success in your business. A Bill Must production.